Yo, how's it going everybody? Crispy here and welcome to today's Blender tutorial. In today's tutorial I'm going to teach you guys how to make a glass texture in Blender. So what we're going to do is we're going to start off with a cube. In fact no, I'm going to change that to a sphere. So I'm going to delete that, go to add, go to mesh and go to UV sphere. Yeah, that's the one. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to right click on that and I'm going to press shade smooth. So we've now got a smooth ball. Then I'm just going to go into camera view so you guys can see it better. What you then want to do is you want to click on your object, go down to the material settings and add a new material. What you then want to do is set your roughness to 0 and set your transmission to 1. Then let's go into our shading settings. As you can see, it is basically see-through. But what I am going to do is I'm going to change the light to sun so I can get a better view on it. As you can see, it moves around. Then once we have this, you go to your camera icon, so your render properties, and then you look for screen space reflections, tick that, then drag it down and click on refraction. Now what you will have here is basically a see-through object, but you can't see it because of the background. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to shading, go down to where it says object, change that to world, press add, texture, environment texture, drop that in. Then we're going to get a HDRI from the link in the description so you can get whichever one you want. This will also help with lighting if you go and check out my how to use HDRIs in Blender tutorial. That will also be linked in the description. So you want to go and get your HDR. So as you can see, I've dragged that in. Then I'm going to drag this over to color. As you can see, our ball is see-through, as you can already see, but I'm also going to show you in the layout panel. We're then going to go back to layout, and as you can see, we now have our glass textured ball. Now if I go over to the render properties, go down to film, and I hit transparent, as you can see our ball looks like it's made of glass and it has reflections. So I hope this helped you guys when making something like this. As far as I am aware, you can put it into cycles as well to get you an even better reflection, especially if you put the device on GPU compute, because reflections and everything will look a lot better. But anyway, I hope this was something interesting for you guys. I hope it's expanded your knowledge when it comes to Blender. If you have any ideas for any tutorials, then please leave a comment in the comment section below. Also think about leaving a like and subscribing. It really helps me, and it means that I know that you want more content from me and you guys actually like the content I produce. So that being said, I will catch you guys in the next one.